Okay guys, here is the Maxpump loaded abductor machine. So how you're going to load this, is you're gonna take a plate, put it back here. The nice thing is, you just have to put one plate on to load both sides. I'm gonna put 2 plates on, just to have a little bit of resistance. How you adjust the pad, so if you want it super close, you pull up, drive it forward. If you want it back, you push back, drive it in. Make sure it's snug. Get in here. How you adjust it is you just move this in and out, pull that pin up. So I'm getting in, put my feet here. I'm gonna pull this pin, bring my legs close. The nice thing that I like about this machine is, as you can see, if I were to push down, it's on a hinge. So as I'm pulling back, I can drive my legs down and really target that glute. So you're just going to do 1 rep, drive, control, drive, control. And because of how it's set up on a hinge, it's a lot more advantageous for the pelvis than just targeting those glutes. So we're super fortunate to have this piece of equipment here at the Dragon's Lair, and it's one of my favorite for developing glutes.